Hi and good day to you. This is Dr. Omilade, and I just wanted to come today with a quick video regarding a sister lock updo. This video came about because I was outside in my garden. My hair was styled just as you see it here, and a neighbor walked by and asked me about hairstyling for sister locks. And yes, I am a sister lock consultant, and so I do have a little bit of insight on styling sister locks. This is a very easy updo. It took me about 15 minutes or so to do this myself. And once you get the hang of it, you'll be as quick as me in doing this beautiful and elegant updo. It has a few steps, and I've done this in a pictorial style tutorial for you for ease of viewing. So enjoy. Here we go. We're going to go right into the different steps of styling this particular updo. It has two sections to it. It has the front section and it has the back section. So for the back section, one of the key to this entire style is making sure you do your ear to ear part. So you're separating your front from your back. So do your ear to ear part. You're going to take that back section, swoop it up into either a chignon or place it into a bun. I had mine in a bun, but sometimes when I do this style, I'll actually just flip it under with a bobby pin and tuck it and secure it. And that works out so perfectly. For the front section, super simple. You're going to separate your hair into four sections. Now, the way that you're going to do these four sections makes a difference to me. Um, First off, you're going to do your center part, and then you're going to do your two temple parts on the side. So the bottom sections are going to have more hair than the two top sections. And if you look at the photo, I should kind of show that. Um, as an example, like my two sections at the top, which right between the center part and the temple part, have about 5 to 6 rows of my sister locks. I do have quite a few sister locks, so how many rows you get in yours between your temple section may be different than mine. But make sure that you're only going from the center part to your temple part on those sections. So you'll now have 4 sections. What you're going to do next is to do a 2-strand twist on those sections. I like to braid the ends of it about 1.5 inches down once I get to the ends to make sure that it doesn't undo the 2-strand twist. So now you should have 4 2-strand twists. What you'll do next is to take the lower twist, hold it up toward your head, and then you're going to wrap the upper twist around the lower one. So you're wrapping the twist around the twist. Secure that with a temporary bobby pin just so it stays in place while you do the other side. If you don't secure it, it of course is going to come undone, and then that's where people get frustrated. You can temporarily secure your style as you're doing it. That makes it so much easier to go to the next step. And I think that's a part that some people get frustrated with. They don't realize that you need to also secure certain things while you're doing it in sections. That's really a key to styling your locks, is making sure you're doing things in smaller sections. You're securing it while you're working on the other side. So now you should have basically 2 twists on each side. So you've got 2 twists that have been wrapped with the other twist, right? So now you're going to undo those temporary bobby pins, and you're going to take it and twist those ends over one another and then tuck them under. And believe it or not, this puffs up that front piece that you see when you roll and twist that section. You'll secure it with two bobby pins. That's what it took for mine. You may use more or less. So for this whole style, I used two hair ties and six bobby pins. And it took me maybe 15 minutes, only because sometimes some of my locks are different lengths. And so I have to tuck a few here, and redo a few there. But it turns out absolutely stunning, and this won't take you very long. I prefer to do very quick, easy styles. And also, I really don't like watching videos of people doing styles on the hair. I think the videos are so long and half the time you can't see anything. So I wanted to do this in a pictorial style, step by step for you. And like I said, it's very easy, very simple. This could save you some money, but you look extremely elegant. This is great for graduations, weddings, every day. I was out in the garden and just decided to put my hair up like this just because, sometimes I'm just cute in the garden. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'll definitely post some more quick up styles, updos for you guys, and just some regular sister locks stylings and tips in the near future. Have a great day.